Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to fix if your Replika application stopped responding on your mobile device. If your Replika AI has suddenly stopped responding, then first of all, make sure to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data, and if you have a weak internet connection, try switching to a stronger network. Next thing you want to do is to close your Replika application. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring up the app switcher. Push upwards on the Replika app card. Once you force quit the app, launch the app open again. Now, after you do that, the next thing you want to do is to try updating your app. Open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, type in Replika. Open up this application from Luca Inc. and check if there is an update button available on the page. If there is one, tap on Update to download the latest version of Replika. Once you have the latest update, tap on Open. Soon after you do that, you might be able to fix your Replika not responding issue. Sometimes a simple reboot fixes app glitches. Power off your device and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Turn it on back again, and this time you might be able to fix your Replika not responding issue right away. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if your Replika app is not responding on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.